Hi, Dr. Esther here from Cambridge Cat Hospital. I am here today to discuss with you cats who have chronic episodes of reoccurring sneezing and runny eyes, where their eyes get all red and inflamed and they're sneezing and having nasal discharge, and it'll often go on for several weeks and it'll reoccur. I often have these cats brought in and people actually think that the cats have allergies. Kind of unfortunately, today I wanted to discuss with you the fact that this is usually not allergies in cats. The reason that I usually see this is actually from a virus that cats pick up. It is Feline Rhinotracheitis or Feline Herpes Virus. So this virus is only in cats, but it's similar to a virus that affects people and which causes cold sores. So in the same way that people will get a cold sore and then it'll go away, but then in a few months later they'll get another cold sore, this virus does the same thing in cats, but it causes sneezing and sometimes runny eyes. So the cat will have an episode of sneezing and runny eyes, and then it'll maybe take several weeks to go away, and then it might come back again a few months later. Often it'll come back at times of stress or with season change, which is why sometimes people think it might be allergies. Oh, here's Sherlock, come to say hello. So with the herpes virus, when the cats are having a bad episode of sneezing and runny eyes, what we'll sometimes do is we will treat them with some antibiotics, but the antibiotics are not actually for the virus. They're for the secondary bacterial infections that a cat will get. Antibiotics only treat bacteria, they don't treat viruses. So, and then sometimes we might actually give them anti-inflammatory medication as well. The only thing that we have found that can really help to prevent these episodes of sneezing and runny eyes in cats who have this herpes virus is actually an amino acid supplement called lysine. I have a little, so that tells you what I'm saying, which is L-lysine. It's an amino acid supplement, and that's actually a nutritional supplement that you would need to give to the cat most of the time, all of the time, to prevent these episodes of the virus coming back. What happens with this virus is that it actually becomes active, and then it becomes latent or dormant or inactive. So while it's active, they'll have an episode of sneezing and runny eyes, and then when it's inactive or latent, the virus is still in their body. The virus actually hides in the cat's body. It will hide in the nerve cells of the cat, and then it'll come out, as I mentioned, at times of stress. Some cats will be affected all the time, and those cats require a special type of treatment. So if you have a cat like this with sneezing and runny eyes, it's something that I can really help you with. Well, I can definitely help you with to manage it, to keep the cat feeling good for, so that they're doing less of the sneezing. But it's probably not going to go away. These viruses stay in the cat's body. They're not something that goes away. And we actually have data to show that about 97% of cats have been exposed to these viruses. They're very, very common. It's just that some cats are susceptible to getting the sneezing and some cats aren't. Sort of like people with cold sores. Okay, so that's all. I just wanted to take some time today to tell you about feline herpes virus. I feel like there's a lot of misinformation out there about sneezing cats, hopefully this is going to correct that. Thanks so much. See you again.